Dear friends, welcome to the bicycle presentation of the World Federation of the Sporting Goods Industry. This year, last year, was quite remarkable, and we have some specific things to tell, which explains why it was such a strange but also wonderful year. We start with the fact that we didn't have the opportunity to have physical meetings. Normally we have physical meetings in Taiwan. This year we planned a physical meeting for the first time in the USA. We have physical meetings in Eurobike. None of them was able to be organized, and we all know why. Hopefully in July, as of July 2021, we will be able to do this again. Despite the fact that we didn't have physical meetings, the technical committees were still able to negotiate with the UCI and to collaborate on reaching the goals that we have set for each bicycle committee. You can see in the presentation the different committees that were active and what the subjects were that were discussed. Especially last year, many people found out how wonderful cycling in fact is. We reached a record sales in almost all countries due to the fact that people found out that cycling is safe, is healthy, and is a joy to do every day. So the industry was in fact sold out as of July, August, and we had a wonderful, financially also wonderful 2020, and we also expect a good 2021 and beyond. Very special this year was the webinar organized by the World Federation of Sporting Goods Industry in cooperation with the World Bicycle Industry Association. But the organization was fully in the hands of the team of Robert and Emma and the rest, and also DJ and Bob, of course, of Decathlon and Specialized. It was a very well attended meeting. Over 600 participants joined this meeting worldwide. It was a very interesting 2-hour during conversations and presentations. And I must say, very well done, and hopefully not necessary again, but if so, it is in good hands of these people. The last thing I want to say is that this is my last time as chair of the Bicycle Committee and as board member. I am retired and I enjoy my retirement. And I think it's time to hand all the activities over to the next generation for the next coming years. And for you who don't know, Robert and I started the bicycle activities in the World Federation in 2008. It's now 2020, 2021. So I did this for 12, 13 years with a lot of fun, with a lot of joy, made a lot of friends. But as said, sometimes you begin something and sometimes you have to stop something and do something else. Therefore, to all my friends in the industry, cheers and thank you so much, and hope to see you and speak to you again soon, wherever in this world. Thank you all.